Hello everyone, welcome to Tamil Views. This is our 13th video of our Golang series. In the previous video, we have discussed about the channel directions, right? I hope you have now a clear understanding about the channel directions, right? Quick recap on this one. If we want to specify channel that we will only use for send values, right? We can use this annotation, right? If we want to specify channel that for only receive, right? We can use this annotation, right? This is the only thing we want to know. In here we have used two channels, right? For do that thing, right? In here, first I will pass this. I have passed this send channel to the send function, right? And then it publish some value to this send channel. Now this send channel have some value. What is the value called? Ping, right? If we use this send channel as a receive channel, right, then we can get some value. That's the reason that I put this send channel as receive channel here, right? Because when we are passing this send channel to the send channel as a receive channel, then we can get some value, right? What is the value here? Ping, right? Ping value got as to the message, right? After getting that value, right, again it will publish, right, to the send channel, right? Now send channel is what? Receive channel, right? We have passed receive channel as a send channel, right? Now receive channel has some value, then we can got that value, right? This is very important, right? You can more practicing on these things, right? Then you can get a clear understanding about that. Okay, today topic is select, right? I will teach you that when I am doing the examples, right? Okay, first I will create a channel called CHA1 and this unbuffered channel string, right? And then I will create another function in here. This is C1, this is C2, right? Type is string, right? Okay, inside the go routine I will create a go function, right? Inside the go routine I can pass some value to this channel, right? This is one and also in here I will pass some value to channel 2, right? Before passing values to the function, I will sleep that one some time, right? Time dot sleep time dot second, right? I will sleep this function about 1 second and then pass value to the channel. In here I will sleep this function about 2 seconds and then send messages to the channel, right? Okay, then we can use this one, right? First I will do it like this way and then I will use the select, right? Then you can get a clear understanding about the those things, right? In this way we can receive values, right? C1 and dot println C2, right? We can receive the values like in this way, right? What is the output now? What is the output now? 1 and 2, right? Okay, first then here what I did in here, I got around 1 second time and pass some value to the channel 1, right? These two functions run in concurrently, right? In this function I got 2 seconds and then pass value, right? Okay, then what is the total execution time here, right? Got around how much? It will wait until receive this value and as well as this value, right? After executing this one, it will goes to the this one, right? Okay, I will try to print the total execution time, right? Time dot now, right? Using the time dot now, we can get the current time, right? Current time. Okay, then we can use the deepen function, right? Deepen function. Using the deepen function, we can print something after ending the function, right? Print len total what is the total? Time dot themes, right? And time. Okay, I will first print and say what happened there. Okay. In here you can say it has wait around 2 seconds, right? Deepen function execute before the ending of the main function, right? This println what did was time dot since means that it will calculate the how much time that will take from the current time, right? And it will print, right? Okay, then I will change that channel name here, C2 and C1. What is the output now? That's also same, right? But in here we can't simultaneously look into the channel receiving values because after receiving the channel 2 content we can receive the channel 1 content, right? Using the select we can simultaneously look in that channel contents, right? How we can use select here? Select first. I want to create a for loop because we have two channels, right? I equals 0, I equals 0, and then I less than 2, I plus plus, right? Inside the for loop I can put a select, right? And we have two cases here, right? First case for channel 1, right? Message 1 V1. Like in this way we can get the channel 1 content of the message 1 and then we can print that, right? Message 1. And also we have another channel in here. I want to specify that one as well, right? Message 2, C2, message 2, right? Okay, now it's fine. In this way we can say, right, simultaneously look into those sending and receiving values, right? Now what is the output? Just after got the values, it will print, right? In here you can see 1 got and 2 got, right? But if we use the previous one, first it will execute the first line and then it will execute the second line, right? We can't simultaneously look into those values, right? This is actually very powerful feature that provided by Go, right? Time also very similar to the 2 seconds, right? These concepts are very important when we are learning about the Go related concurrency, right? This deepen function, right? Those things are very important, right? Please do the more practicing on these things. I will teach more about those things in the upcoming videos, right? For the moment, you can use this to do the practicing, right? Okay, hope you have learned new things, right, from this video. If you have learned new things, please subscribe to the channel. Please share these things with your friends. We will meet in the next video. Thank you. Bye.